So I can purchase the static website. So any static website, which hosting is better from the static websites? Suppose your static website will be 5 or 4. So any select your hosting, you can select by reseller for cheap Linux reseller. That is better from the static website. That will be unlimited domain, space will be 50 GB. So static website space occupy only for email. Every month you can refresh the emails, for your storage will be automatically will be covered. So 50 GB enough for the static website. So if you go for 100 GB or 200 also, maximum you can focus by up to 200 GB for static website. But any static website will be preferred by the enough for the maximum 100 GB. So every year we can renewal by the your package by 100 GB enough for the static website. If your website will be 100 or 200 enough for the 100 GB for static website. Static website nothing but pages will be fixed, content will be changed. The static website will be only space will be occupied by email only. Any spam email we can remove, we can increase your options. Any static website for unlimited, you can select by the reseller. The option call is cheap Linux reseller. Why selecting by reseller is called? Each and every website will be separate login ID and password. Total will be secured with SSL. Every website providing for free SSL certificate. That is called any website providing for HTTPS. HTTPS. So that is called n number of static website. We can use option call is reseller. That is called cheap Linux reseller. Not only for this website, any website will go for this. Based on the website, the option will be changed. Reseller, go for limited reseller hosting. Your space will be bandwidth 500 GB, space will be 25 GB, and your panel and this will be unlimited cPanel accounts. Nothing but unlimited website. So maximum will go for unlimited space and limited domains, unlimited domain, limited space. So static website go for unlimited domain, limited space enough. Maximum will go for 100 GB or up to 200 GB based on your interest. But static website required for reseller, there is a cheap Linux reseller will be better for static website. Please note down.